Discover the revolutionary power of Neuro AI, the technology that is transforming neuroscience and unlocking groundbreaking insights into the human brain. Are you ready to explore the incredible world of Neuro AI? This revolutionary technology is transforming the way that scientists are reimagining neuroscience and unlocking never-before-seen insights into the inner workings of the human brain. From deep learning algorithms to AI-driven brain mapping, Neuro AI is pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve with modern science, allowing us to explore intricate neural pathways and unlock treatments thought previously impossible. Get ready to dive into the potential of this cutting-edge technology and the ethical implications and data privacy issues associated with safe and secure use. Subscribe to AI Topia and keep watching to learn more about the incredible potential of Neuro AI and the ethical implications and data privacy issues that come with it. Neuro AI is revolutionizing neuroscience, giving scientists access to large amounts of brain function like never before. Algorithms and models that analyze large amounts of data are helping researchers understand diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's in more detail than ever. Brain mapping has been studied in advance for decades. Early works tried to understand how information travels through neurons in the central nervous system by tracing connections between electrically stimulated parts, sparking conversations about whether artificially intelligent brains are possible. Today, modern developments have made huge advances since then, thanks in part to things like the collaborative efforts using Neuro AI technology and imaging techniques like PET scans and MRIs. So what other ways can we use machine learning technology and emerging biology trends to make further advances in neurological disorders? Brain mapping technology has been used for a variety of purposes, from medical research and diagnostics to entertainment applications. In medicine, AI-powered brain maps are helping doctors create treatments tailored to neurological disorders like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. In the gaming industry, Neuro AI can be used to control augmented reality devices in our minds. Plus, deep learning has allowed researchers to explore intricate neural pathways that would otherwise remain unknown, potentially opening up new possibilities. But as we continue to explore new areas of neuroscience using AI and machine learning algorithms, what ethical considerations will come up? How should these developments affect existing laws around neuroscience data privacy? These questions must be answered before this technology can be used safely and securely in personal and professional settings. Thanks to Neuro AI technologies, researchers can now gain a better understanding of neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It also helps us understand decision-making processes better. Cognitive computing platforms use algorithms to quickly analyze data and give us suggestions on how we need to proceed in any given situation. This is especially useful for businesses who need fast insights to help them make decisions about operations, marketing strategies, or product development. However, with the increased reliance on artificial intelligence comes questions about ethical considerations and neuroscience data privacy. How will this collected information be used? Who has access? What could happen if it's mishandled? These are just some of the issues you need to think about when considering further advancements in cognitive computing technology powered by Neuro AI mapping tools. What ethical considerations should be taken into account when utilizing Neuro AI technology and cognitive computing platforms? Neuro AI's cognitive computing platform is revolutionizing the way that businesses make decisions and uncover insights from their data. It's powered by advanced machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, and sophisticated graph theory models that can detect outliers in large data sets. Plus, deep learning systems can decipher contextually accurate responses quickly. AI and ML applications within Neuro AI's cognitive computing capacities open up exciting possibilities. For example, curiosity-driven reinforcement prediction strategies autonomously search knowledge bases for information, and users can access virtual assistants through voice commands. But with such powerful technology comes challenging questions. How do we ensure that ethical implications remain the top priority when working with sensitive company data? Thanks to Neuro AI's cutting-edge technology, researchers are now able to observe pathways that were previously unseen and gain a better understanding of neurological disorders. This has allowed medical professionals to create treatments that are more targeted, rather than relying on the broad approaches used in the past. Machine learning algorithms have also helped scientists understand brain connectivity patterns related to different disturbances of data within the nervous system. For example, deep learning models study data from Parkinson's patients and assess differences compared with non-Parkinsonian brains, showing that AI can assess abnormal brain function better than a specialist can do manually. This is just one of many potential clinical applications for Neuro AI technology. Other areas being explored include disease diagnosis like Alzheimer's, drug development, and precision medicine therapies targeting genetic mutations linked to certain diseases like Huntington's disease. However, there are also ethical dilemmas surrounding sensitive patient information sharing. How can stakeholders ensure security for complex health records while still taking advantage of the benefits of intelligent computing? Neuro AI mapping has immense potential for medical research due to its unique accuracy when analyzing complex neurological conditions. By building detailed brain scans, doctors are able to identify precise treatments tailored specifically to the patient's individual physical condition, allowing them to make a much better diagnosis and prognosis decisions. Additionally, Neuro AI technology technology can be used in tandem with prosthetics like robotic arms, giving disabled individuals more autonomy over their bodies than ever before. It also offers a new direction within psychiatry, enabling psychiatrists to gain an intimate understanding of psychiatric disorders, paving the way for treatments that would have otherwise been impossible just a few years ago. Uncovering what lies behind our skulls is undoubtedly a key part of diagnosing and treating diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, but one additionally exciting area that could benefit from key groundbreaking neurotech innovation is human connectome research, or HCR. As opposed to MRI imaging techniques, neural activity mappings provide us with insights on how neurons connect to each other, potentially informing us about consciousness itself, how we make choices based on our thoughts, and what determines the self, meaning who you really are. With Neuro AI further expanding HCR capabilities, these questions might soon become answerable, thus boosting the neuroscience revolution even farther than anyone expected right now. What algorithmic methods do researchers need to adopt if they're trying to uncover information only hidden within the vast complexities existing inside nervous system structure? What algorithmic methods do researchers need to adopt? Leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Neuro AI's research into human connectome has opened up exciting new possibilities for understanding and treating neurological disorders. By using advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze large amounts of data, we can gain detailed insights than ever before into brain structures, functions, and cognitive processing mechanisms on a personalized basis. This is invaluable in the development of precision medicine therapies tailored specifically to each patient's condition or genetics, allowing doctors to choose treatments based on what will work best for them rather than relying solely on guesswork. The potential applications don't end there. Researchers are also leveraging AI-augmented neuroimaging technology by combining deep learning models with MRI imaging techniques like EEG and MEG scans. This gives us further insight into neuronal connections between areas of interest that were previously impossible due to knowledge gaps regarding the autonomy of neural circuits affecting certain diseases and conditions, like stroke rehabilitation and schizophrenia. So what use cases should we expect from these advanced Neuro AI systems when it comes to brain mapping technology? Neuro AI is driving a new era of advancements in neuroscience and neuroimaging. By using machine learning algorithms to explore large data sets, researchers can develop a more comprehensive understanding than ever before, like pinpointing previously unknown areas related to neural pathways or uncovering intricate connections between neurons, relevant for neurological diseases like Parkinson's or Alzheimer's. In addition, by combining traditional imaging methods with cutting-edge Neuro AI platforms, new possibilities have opened up in relation to mental health treatments, from cognitive assessment tools enabling psychiatrists to find the most appropriate treatment plan for their patients, all the way up to drug discovery solutions that can bring forth unique therapies tailored for individual bodies and genetic makeup. All these expanded insights would presumably combine into stronger healthcare capabilities overall, resulting in a much neglected condition being addressed efficiently through precision medicine, developed on top of deep brain mapping data discoveries facilitated primarily by Neuro AI technology. This opens up huge opportunities not only within medical domains, but also extending out towards voice recognition software, gaming, and enabling disabled individuals to regain partial autonomy over body functions, while simultaneously performing calculations far faster than organic thinking alone allows. But what does the road ahead hold when discussing this evolutionary leap powered almost exclusively by robotics? What additional questions centered around ethical practices need to be addressed if we can hope humanity will fully capitalize on them without any hidden pitfalls? The future of Neuro AI is incredibly exciting and promising. We're seeing advancements in technology like MRIs, CT scans, EEGs, and PET scans that provide us with the most accurate brain mapping techniques ever developed, a crucial step for understanding what lies beneath our skulls. Deep learning algorithms are becoming more powerful as new methods allow researchers to learn complex patterns that were previously unknown, uncovering connections between neurons which could lead treatments designed specifically for an individual case without trial and error approaches used before. This technology can be applied not only in medical research centers but also outside of them. Some large corporations have already started using machine learning algorithms powered by artificial intelligence solutions, like conversation bots or facial recognition applications. With all these possibilities coming closer, truly revolutionizing neuroscience breakthroughs seem more possible now than ever before. But one main issue remains: how do we ensure that ethical implications remain top priority during further developments? What rules should we apply when handling sensitive neurological data collected from individuals to guarantee their security? These questions must be addressed if cognitive computing tools looking into human cognition want to achieve widespread use safely and securely, both inside private organizations, public institutions, and with individuals accessing virtual assistants. Neuro AI is revolutionizing neuroscience with cutting-edge technology that allows researchers to gain unprecedented insights into neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Machine learning algorithms and AI-powered brain mapping tools are helping medical professionals create treatments tailored to each individual patient's physical condition and have opened up exciting possibilities for drug development, precision medicine therapies, and prosthetics. However, as with any new technology, ethical considerations must be taken into account to ensure safety and security when handling sensitive neurological data. Neuro AI's cognitive computing platform is paving the way for revolutionary discoveries in human connectome research, which could inform us about consciousness in the human psyche, and with such powerful capabilities, the possibilities seem endless. Are you ready to explore the possibility of quantum AI? The next video will explore how this groundbreaking technology pushes the boundaries of what we thought was impossible. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to unlock the limitless potential of AI.